Okay, here are the last 4 problems on the pre-algebra sheet that we were not able to get to in class. So, number 12. At the university, there are 5 females for every 3 males. If there are 6,000 male students, how many students are female? This is going to be just a straightforward ratio. So if I put, for instance, females over males, I know that there are 5 females for every 3 males. Well, the ratio is going to hold. So if I'm at FB, the number of female students, I know that there are 6,000 male students. So now I just solved this. That means 3 times F, cross multiply, 5 times 6,000, that's 30,000. So that means divide both sides by 3, F equals 10,000. There are 10,000 females. There you go. Okie dokie. 13. For all pairs of real numbers a and b, where a equals 2b minus 8, b equals what? This is just pure, straightforward symbolic logic or algebra. So we've got a equals 2b minus 8. And I just want to solve that for b. That means I want b on one side, everything else on the other. And this is where your algebra skills come in real handy. So I'm going to start by putting minus 8 over there. Remember, anytime I move something across the equal sign, I just have to change its sign. It's negative here, so I'll make it positive here. So a plus 8 is equal to 2b. Now I want to get the b by itself, so I'll divide everything by 2. So on this side, I just have 2b divided by b by 2 is b. And over here I have a plus 8 over 2. And there's your answer. B equals a plus 8 over 2. If you prefer, I can write it this way. A lot of people like to read that left to right, but same thing. Okie dokie. 14. If x equals negative quantity y plus 3, then quantity x plus y cubed equals what? Okay, well, by far and away, the easiest way to do this is going to be to just figure out what x plus y equals, and we can do that by just manipulating this equation over here. So if I have x equals negative y plus 3, well, I'll get rid of the negative, the parentheses, by multiplying through the negative. So x equals negative y minus 3. Now I'll bring the negative y over here, so I change its sign. So now I have x plus y equals negative 3. So lo and behold, I now know that x plus y equals negative 3. So now it's just a matter of saying negative 3 cubed, which is minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, which is negative 27. Done. All right, 15. Given that a and b are positive integers and the greatest common factor of a to the 4th b squared and a cubed b is 54, what is the value of b? Excellent. Well, please note that a cubed b goes into a to the 4th b squared. So a 4th b is a factor of a to the 4th b squared, which means a cubed b has to be the greatest common factor since it goes into itself and it goes in there. So now I know then that a cubed b equals 54. So now I'm just looking for 2 positive integers that if I cube some number and multiply it by the other number will equal 54. If you're thinking about it a little bit and just figure out what the factors of 54 are, you'll quickly realize it's got to be the only perfect cube we really have to work there with is 27. So that's 27 times 2 equals 54. And that means A would be 3 and B, which is what they're asking, is 2. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me.